Once upon a time, in a small farmyard, there lived a proud and loud cock named Croaky. Croaky loved to strut around the farmyard, flapping his wings and crowing loudly to announce his presence. Next to Croaky's co-op lived a gentle and wise hen named Henny. Henny was a hard worker, laying eggs every day and taking care of her chicks. One day, while Croaky was out strutting his stuff, he came across a beautiful gemstone lying on the ground. It sparkled and shone in the sunlight, and Croaky was immediately taken by its beauty. "Wow!" Croaky exclaimed. "This gemstone is the most magnificent thing I've ever seen. I must have it." Croaky picked up the gemstone and began to admire himself in its reflection. He thought he looked even more handsome and impressive with the gemstone in his possession. Meanwhile, Henny was watching Croaky from afar, shaking her head in dismay. "Croaky, you foolish cock," she clucked. "Why are you so obsessed with that gemstone? It's just a rock." But Croaky wouldn't listen. He continued to admire himself in the gemstone, strutting around the farmyard and showing it off to all the other animals. As the days went by, Croaky became more and more arrogant, thinking himself to be the most handsome and impressive creature in the farmyard. But one day, disaster struck. A fierce storm rolled in, bringing heavy rain and strong winds. The farmyard was flooded, and the animals were forced to seek shelter. Croaky, still clutching his precious gemstone, was swept away by the floodwaters. He struggled to stay afloat, but the gemstone weighed him down, and he began to sink. Just as all hope seemed lost, Henny swam out to rescue Croaky. She pecked at the gemstone with her beak, dislodging it from Croaky's grasp. With the gemstone gone, Croaky was able to swim to safety, where Henny was waiting to tend to him. As they huddled together in the shelter, Croaky realized the error of his ways. Henny clucked softly, forgiving Croaky for his foolishness. "We all make mistakes, Croaky," she said. "But it takes a big heart to admit when we are wrong." From that day on, Croaky was a changed cock. He learned to appreciate the simple things in life and to value the wisdom and kindness of his friend Henny.